Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing. Make sure your Motorola runs a recent Android build and both apps are installed. Open the first app you want visible. This makes it the primary pane. Now, access recent apps using the button or gesture. Swipe up and hold if you use gestures. Once the recent apps view appears, locate the app card you opened. Your setting context here. That first app anchors split screen, so pick the one you'll interact with most. Tap the app's icon on its recent card and choose split screen or long press and drag the card to the top area, depending on your launcher. Once the first app locks to one half, the other half shows recent apps. Tap a second app or open the app drawer to select it. Make sure both apps support multi-window. Some games or video players may not. Once the second app loads, adjust the divider. Drag it to change each app's size. This gives you control over focus and layout. To finish, drag the center divider to resize both apps for comfort. Smaller inputs work better when one app needs more space. To exit split screen, drag the divider fully to the top or bottom, or open the app switcher and close a pane. If an app refuses to enter split screen, force close it, update it, or reboot the phone. If performance lags, clear background apps and check for system updates. These steps usually resolve compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.